All right, so circles and lines are easy to graph when they cross through the pole or have the pole as their center, but when they do not pass through the origin pole or have the pole as a center, they are a little more involved. But observe the following properties. R equals A cosine theta, R equals A sine theta. So let's try R equals 6 cosine theta and see what happens here. Now, to do this, you're going to want to change your format to polar graphing coordinates. Make sure your mode is in degree mode and you are in polar graphing. And if we go to y equals, I'm going to put 6 cosine theta on there. Since theta represents an angle, okay, we're going to let our window go from 0 to 360. Let's count by fives. My x-min at -10, x-max at 10 by ones, y-min -8, y-max 8 by ones. Now go ahead and graph this, and you see that we end up with a circle that has a radius of 1, 2, 3, or a diameter of 4, 5, 6. So this 6 is sitting right here. And because it's cosine, it goes to the right of the y-axis. So right here, this is your A value. In the same manner, R equals a sine theta. So if I just switch this graph, 6 sine theta, now it's going to be a circle that's 6 units this direction, okay? And if you count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sure enough, we can go 1, 2, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So circle above the x-axis, or diameter is the y-axis. All right, recall that x equals r cosine theta, y equals r sine theta, also r squared equals x squared plus y squared, and the tangent of theta is y over x. Make sure you check your quadrant. This information here is really important for pretty much everything we do this chapter. Keep that in mind when we turn the page. But we're going to go over here, r equals a secant theta. According to this, this is a vertical line A units out, while r equals cosecant theta is a horizontal line A units up. Let's take a look. Let's say 6 secant theta. Now, I don't have a secant key on my calculator, so I'm going to have to key this in as r equals 6 times the reciprocal of secant is cosine. So 6 cosine theta, or 6 over cosine theta, is how I got to key that in. So 6 over the cosine of theta. And when I graph that, let's keep that. Yeah, because I got a plus there. 6 over the cosine of theta. Notice we come out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units, and we do indeed get a line that runs up and down. Compare that to r equals a cosecant theta, or 6 cosecant theta, let's say our A value is 6. This would be 6 over sine theta is how I'd have to key that in, because cosecant and sine are reciprocals. So 6 over the sine of theta. When I graph that, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units up in a horizontal line.